SB 32 created a new injunction for protection when a respondent has committed one act of serious violence. This bill recognizes that there are situations where a person experiences severe violence at the hands of someone they know, but who does not fall under existing injunction categories such as domestic, dating, or repeat violence. Under current law, those victims often have no avenue for civil protection. SB 32 closes the gap and provides an additional layer of safety for victims of serious violence. SB 32 creates an injunction for protection against serious violence by a known person and allows the victim to petition for an injunction if the violence has been reported to law enforcement and the victim is cooperating with law enforcement. It defines serious violence as a known person as an act of violence between two individuals who are known to one another when such violence causes serious bodily harm, injury. It establishes that the petition and process is the same as the process for existing injunctions. Additionally, injunctions for protection against serious violence by a known person are included in the domestic violence, dating violence, sexual violence, repeat violence, and serious violence by a known person injunction statewide verification system. Prevent a person from being a qualified elder care coordinator, and it may not be a guardian if they are responded to an injunction for protection for which the protected person was the petitioner and are added to the section of law that creates penalties for violating protective injunctions. This legislation has received strong support from both the Broward and Miami-Dade State Attorney, the Broward Sheriff Gregory Tony, Harold Pryor, Chief Law Enforcement Officer of the 17th Judicial Circuit Court of Florida of Broward County, Miranda Landis, and the Legislative Director for the Florida Association of White Employers, Linda Parker, President and CEO of Women in Distress of Broward County, and the Global Initiative Foundation. This is about keeping victims safe, supporting cooperation with law enforcement, and preventing further acts of serious violence. That is the bill.
Thank you. Senators, are there any questions on the bill? Okay, are there any appearance forms for the bill? Yes, there are. Bernie Bishop is waiving in support Florida Smart Justice Alliance. Also, No Name, a Florida Association for Women Lawyers, is waiving in support. And Richard Pinsky, Dominic Marlon Farrell Foundation, is also waiving in support. Is there any debate on the bill? Senator Sharief, you're recognized to close on the bill.
Wait, close, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Sheila, please call the roll on CS for SB 32.
Senator Osgood?
Of course.
Senator Folsky?
Yes.
Senator Simon?
Yes.
Senator Smith?
Yeah.
Senator Wright?
Yes.
Senator Yarbrough?
Yes.
Vice Chair Martin?
Yes.
Chair Garcia?
Yes, and by your vote, CS for SB 32 is reported favorably. Now we will continue with Senator Sharief. Move over to tab 2. Take up SB 210 on public records, petitions for injunctions for protection against serious violence by a known person. Senator Sharief, you are recognized to explain the bill.
Thank you, Senator. Senate Bill 210 provides a public records exemption designed to protect the privacy and safety of individuals involved in petitions for injunctions for protection against serious violence by a known person. Currently, Florida Statute 119.0714 already exempts certain injunction petitions, such as those for domestic violence, stalking, and sexual violence, when the petitions are dismissed or when disclosure could endanger the petitioner before service. However, petitions for serious violence by a known person are not currently included in those protections. This bill simply extends those same public records